Alright, what's on everyone? So today in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over some of my recent pickups for the month of March, really what I picked up throughout March. So that's really my intention with this video, just go over back through some of the stuff, what I was thinking when I bought it, you know, just sort of a cool idea I thought of, you know. I did unboxing videos for most of these, and some of this was just stuff that I like. I'll explain it all when I get into it. And also I'm going to discuss my Supreme live cop drop story. I couldn't get a live cop video, and I'm going to explain why I couldn't get a screen recording. Sort of funny, and then really how I you know, took the L I did. I would have gotten it, and I'm very confident in that. The item I wanted, it was just would have been perfect. It was great, would have been good profit, would have been good for the collection if I ended up deciding to keep it. A lot of things happened there, but we're gonna get all into that. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe below, and I'll do more videos like this. And please drop a like, and I'll be sure to bring you all more good content like this. But anyways, I'm Tristan, and let's get into it. And also, before the video starts, here we go. I decided to be nice to y'all because, you know, I was thinking about this and y'all were like, hey, yeah, do it. So I'm giving away 2 Supreme shower caps in this video, and I'm also gonna be posting on my Instagram too. And all you all gotta do to enter in the Supreme shower cap giveaway is go to the post in the description and comment and tag 2 friends on it and follow me there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm actually just gonna put it in the description. Like, it's gonna be like a giveaway link for these 2 shower caps. It's gonna be like a week giveaway, a week long. It's not gonna last that long. For these 2 shower caps, y'all win for free. It's not gonna cost y'all anything. I'll ship them to anyone. It's gonna be 1 winner that wins 2 shower caps. And anyways, hope y'all did enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, but we will be going over the pickups first, and then I'll discuss the live cop story. That's a funny story, so y'all want to stay for that. No, I'm not just trying to keep y'all's attention. Well, sort of, you know, that's the point. But basically, the first little thing that I got in the month, of course, it came with some of my orders and things I got. And I actually had 4. I gave 2 of them. But basically, I'm giving these 2 also Supreme shower caps to go for like $15 each. I don't really see much purpose in them. They're a free gift, made in China. And yeah, they're Supreme, they're cool. Y'all can look up some pictures in, because I'm not gonna unbox them because I know y'all gonna want them dead stock when I give them away. So go check that out in the description. And yeah, first things I got. So that was really quick, went over that. But the second thing I want to discuss here, I actually lost this for about 4 months. I think, it was a long time, maybe 2 or 3 months. I don't know, 4 is probably a stretch. But I just found this, or I was actually at one of my friend's houses, and here it is, Supreme. Sort of stacked to long sleeve there, as y'all can see, in the blue, navy blue, and then the orange. This is a really good piece. I like it. I used to wear this a decent amount, and you know, this would have been great in the winter if I'd known where it was. But there you go. So I found this one, good long sleeve, size medium. I'm not exactly sure what it goes for. I don't think this would be a very like expensive piece, but yeah, you know, there's a tag on it and all that, all the little details. It's a bit dusty, so yes, I do have to fix that. But overall, I mean, I'm just glad that I at least have it again. Like, this is a good tee, and you know, I never appreciated this tee as much as I should have, but it's gonna get the love it gets now. But it's springtime, it's about to be summer and things like that. Like, we're gonna wait on that one. But the next one that I got here is, y'all know this one. I've worn this one for the last few videos. I'm gonna discuss it again a bit for those of you that didn't see that video. I'm not gonna link it below, but here it is. Supreme Motion logo from 2010. This is the gray hoodie. I got it for a steal at $280. Shout out my man Hypebeast for this one too. This is a fire logo, and there y'all go. Y'all can see that. And basically, the history behind this one, Supreme created this logo, and they were like, hey, you know, basically, it's just Supreme, and it's a motion, so there you go. That's really what's behind it. And again, this hoodie is extremely comfortable. I rate this. It is 2010 material. Now the hoodie like material is this material, and it's just it's way different. I abuse the word material there. If you can't tell, I just keep saying it. I need to stop. But one of my favorite pieces. I mean, when I was going through it, I was like, should I cop? And I was like, yeah. And actually, this piece and my Damien in my closet were really the reasons I've been buying a lot more older Supreme, just because like I mess with it more. Like, I like the new stuff, but this stuff is really like stuff you can appreciate heavily. So I'm really glad that I got this, and definitely a good pickup. So this one, just really one of my favorite cops ever. So if like, this is definitely like top 3 in my collection, easily. But next up, this one is also one I'm pretty proud of. Is this 2003 Supreme Ramsell tee. As you all can see, it says Ripcord Rex, and Ramsell, y'all, I did explain that in a recent video. He was an artist that actually designed some of the artwork inside the Supreme stores, and actually may have helped with some of the designing with the original Supreme New York store. But he has some pretty big history there. This is a size medium, and the fitting on this tee is much different. The colorways, you know, just sort of like a green. I like it. You know, I haven't really worn it yet, but in the summer, you're gonna see me wearing this tee a good bit because it's just a great tee for the summer. And y'all can see like the tag too. It's pretty much the same as the new ones. They haven't changed that. at all really, and the design in it there. Here, I'm gonna try and get it up close so y'all can see Ripcord Rex. And Ramzil actually would dress up. He would make these sort of masks and well, things like this, and yeah, that's sort of what he would dress up as. And yeah, he would act it out, he would make artwork, he did pretty much everything. So I'm happy about this tee. It's a bit of Supreme history, so I mean, yeah, it's definitely a top 5 in the collection too, because I like all my vintage pieces. Okay, but next up, y'all have seen these ones. I think I've talked about these so much, honestly. You know what they are? Ultra Boost 4.0s, all white. They're dirty already because I'm just, for some reason, always tend to get my shoes in mud. Like, yeah, they look clean on camera. Like, yeah, they still look good. But honestly, if you look at them in person, they're a bit faded already. But they're super comfortable. They're good price. I discussed these in another video saying they're like $110 right now. So if y'all want to cop some good Ultra Boost, these are for the steal. So check that one out. So yeah, Ultra Boost 4.0, I like them, and I heavily recommend Ultra. They're like, I've never owned a pair, or I've owned one pair of Ultra Boost before this. Had them for like a day, so I couldn't really tell you if they were comfy, but they were. So I sort of can tell you because they had been worn. These ones I'm starting to break in, and they're getting very comfortable. So I recommend Ultra Boost for sure. Okay, so now those are all my pickups. I'm pretty happy with them, but now let's discuss my drop. So basically, here's how it goes. In my class, you know, it's like 10:53. All right, and I was planning, you know, go to the bathroom around like 10:57, 10:58, so, you know, I could cop it. But basically, we have a bathroom pass, all right? And I'm not throwing anything to anyone. I wasn't necessarily mad, but basically, someone takes a bathroom pass at like 10:53. I'm like, all right, they'll be back soon. It's 10:55, you know, I'm chilling, everything's good. And then it starts getting like 10:57, 10:58. I'm like, all right, where's this person at? So you probably see where this is going. So I can't have phones out in my class. So y'all probably like, oh, why you have to go to the bathroom and do it? Well, I can't have phones in my class. Like, if you have your phone out in this class, you'll get it taken away until the end of the day. And you know, I mean, I guess it's not the biggest deal. Maybe it's worth the risk, but honestly, if I get like a text from my mom and I don't reply to it, then that's just like, then I have to explain to her I got my phone taken away. And she'll be like, why did you get your phone taken away? Won't go good from there, if you see what I mean. So then, you know, 11 o'clock hits, and you guys can imagine where I am. I'm sitting in my classroom right there. Now, the thing is that I actually did end up taking the risk, you know? I did take out my phone, I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is when I started my bot, when taking out my phone, none of my information filled, none of it. Not a single bit. Not an address, not a name, nothing. Nothing filled. Not even my CVV or anything that like even is auto-saved by Supreme, nothing filled at all. And my item that I wanted was the black fleece and medium, and it sold out in 15 seconds. So I might as well just have gone with like my normal methods that like were easy instead of trying to take the risk here. But then, you know, I discussed with the bot company, and they're like, yo, it just broke today. So it's been unlucky from them too, because that's obviously, you know, business thing. But I wasn't too mad, you know. I was like, you know what, it's okay, we're gonna recover and we're gonna be all good. But that's really my live cop story. Funny if you want, because I basically sat there and watched the L happen. Like, I literally knew it happened. Like, I was watching it on the clock. Yeah, you know, that's how it went. And also the funny thing is that when the kid was in the bathroom, he came back literally exactly at 11. So I was like, yeah, there you go, there's my luck. It's pretty good if y'all can't tell. But yeah, you know, that's how live cops go, I guess. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all did enjoy, do not forget to go enter in that Supreme shower cap giveaway. The link will be in the description. I'll have that set up by there, or by then, is what I meant to say there. But yeah, I'm really happy that I was able to get this giveaway going for y'all. Thank y'all for suggesting it, and you know, or at least taking my suggestion on it. And yeah, you know, I'm gonna keep producing good content. I'm gonna keep doing small giveaways like this too, because y'all seem to really enjoy these, so I'm gonna be sure to deliver. Instructions are simple. Just gotta follow me on Instagram, either my reselling or my personal. It'll be all the details there, and then also you can just subscribe to the channel. It's all pretty simple. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. The constant love is crazy. I think I already said this, but subscribe and like if you're new, and I'll be sure to produce more content like this. But anyways, I'm Tristan, and peace out.